Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, Kerala $2. Today, I am going to introduce you to a cool app called YouTube Shorts, which is free to edit. You can download the video you make without a watermark. It is a simple mobile application that anyone who is learning editing can do. If you like this mobile application, please subscribe to my channel, like, share, and see my blog that explains how to make money with more useful AI. There is a link to the video. Now let's watch the video.
Hello friends, read the full article now, link description, and start your creative side hustle today. Subscribe for more AI income tips. Check the full guide now at read the full article now, link description, and start your creative side hustle today. Subscribe for more AI income tips.